Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 2008 in the active specification that we've just taken in part exchange. So this vehicle is £30 a year to tax, features 16-inch alloy wheels, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, there's air conditioning, and you also get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 19,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.